Now we are going to see some examples of measurement of capacity. So capacity, measurement of capacity means we used to measure only the liquids. That is what capacity. So example with object is half a liter, that is half liter means 500 ml. So here what is the example? 250 ml of a cup. So it is completely filled with the milk or cup filled with the boost or Horlicks or whatever may be. So it is a liquid. So okay, capacity always measure this, or capacity means nothing but we used to measure only the liquids in capacity. So that is what? So 250 ml, 250 ml, here 500 ml, here 750 ml, here 1000 ml. So I have told you it's a cup, okay, 250 ml of cup, it holds what? That means quarter liter of Horlicks, a boost, a milk, a coffee, a tea or juice, whatever it may be, okay. So 250 ml, 250 ml is nothing but what? 1/4 liter, okay. And what is this? 500 ml of a mug. So mug used to what? You must, if you want to what? Hold the, if you, this mug use what is the purpose of mug? We used to what? Take the water. We used to take the water. So 500 ml means nothing but half a liter, okay. This is nothing but half a liter. I'll write it here, half a liter. So it denotes half a liter. So 750 ml of what is this? Water. Water means it filled with the water, okay. Otherwise you can call it as a, not only the water, distilled water or some other thing, maybe the acid, whatever may be. 750 ml. So this is what? 3/4 liter, okay. That is what? 750 means 3/4 liter. So this is what is a milk powder. So we have to add with the, okay, 1000 ml of milk powder. So add with the 1000 ml of water. So you can get a milk powder, okay. So that is what? The 1000 ml is nothing but 1 liter, okay. So that is what? These are the examples. This is a what? 250 ml of a what? Coffee, tea or what? Juice or Horlicks, boost, whatever it may be. But it is in liquid form. This is a cup, so it holds half a liter of water and 3/4 liter, that means 750 ml means nothing but 3/4 liter. So that is 500 ml is nothing but half a liter. So half a liter of water. This mug filled with what? 500 ml of what? Water, or 500 half a liter of 500 ml of water, or this mug completely hold 500 ml of water, or otherwise we can call it as half a liter of water. This is 750 ml of distilled water or acid, even or water maybe. So this is 750 ml is nothing but we can call it as 3/4 liter. So this is as a packet. So it is filled with the milk powder. So you add with the milk powder with 1000 ml of water. So it becomes 1 liter of milk. 1 liter of milk you can get it. That is what. So I'll repeat once again. So 1000 ml is nothing but 1 liter. 500 ml is equal to what? Half a liter. 250 ml is equal to quarter liter. 1/4 means quarter, and 750 ml is nothing 3/4 liter. So this is, I told you, milk. So 1 liter of milk and 500 ml is nothing but is water. 500 ml or else half a liter water, and 250 ml is the what? Tea or coffee, or what? Horlicks or juice, everything in the liquid form, okay. 250 ml is equal to 1/4 liter. This is quarter liter. 750 ml is equal to 3/4 liter. This is nothing but, I told you, 750 ml. This is a water, distilled water, or what do you call it as? Acid, okay. So this is the, I think so you understand measurement of capacity very well. Now we are going to do some sums in the what? Measurement of mass and measurement of length and measurement of capacity.